Hi everyone, welcome to Talk in Japan. So today we are making plum juice. First, the ingredients are 6 plums and some sugar. Some tools you would need are a glass bin, a paper towel, a toothpick for taking out the stems, and if you need one, a scissor. And you also need gloves. So first, put on gloves that is not your forehand. In my case, the right hand is my forehand, so I put it on my left hand. And then hold the toothpick in your forehand and pull out the stems like this. And do it for all of the plums. So now we are going to put in the plums and sugar into this bin, but we are going to do it like plum, sugar, plum, sugar, plum, sugar. So first we are going to put in this plum and then sugar. Finally, we are going to close the lid. Now our plum juice is finished. You can wait 1 week and drink it. If you want to make it an alcohol one, please add alcohol and also wait for 1 month. So now our plum juice is finished. A bit of the confeito is left on the floor of this bottle, but I think it will add a good taste and flavor to it. And the plums are all wrinkly now, but you can also eat the plums as well. So you can cut it and put it on your yogurt, and everything that you can possibly think about, you can probably do. So I hope you can also do this as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!